Bob was accustomed to sharing his home with ghosts. One resided in his microwave, obsessed with soap operas, while another haunted his goldfish, which amusingly turned out to be a crouton in water. But then Gerald arrived. Gerald was unlike any ghost Bob had met. He sneezed incessantly. "Ah, chew!" echoed through the room. "Was that ectoplasmic mucus?" Bob inquired, watching the spectral figure. "Probably," Gerald admitted, dabbing his nose with a Victorian handkerchief. "I'm allergic to dust and memories." Each sneeze unleashed chaos. Books toppled, mirrors cracked, and Bob's blender began mumbling in Latin. Determined to help, Bob vacuumed every corner, even the ceiling. He offered Gerald an inhaler, which the ghost humorously wore as a hat. Desperate for a cure, Bob took Gerald to a ghost doctor, a foggy figure resembling an armchair. The diagnosis? Existential paranormal rhinitis. The solution? Gerald needed to fulfill his dream of becoming a professional kazoo musician. Bob enrolled Gerald in a recital at the haunted community center. Gerald played with passion and soul, literally. Ghosts cheered and ectoplasmic tears floated like soap bubbles. The audience was captivated by his performance. From that day forward, Gerald never sneezed again. However, Bob's blender continued its peculiar habit of singing Ave Maria every Tuesday. The mystery of why remains unsolved, but Bob and Gerald embraced their quirky, ghostly life together.